Bible says, "To whom much is given, much is desired." This guides Dr. Reyes in her desire to teach, help, and serve. As an educator, she continues to devote herself in teaching, sharing wisdom and knowledge to her students, both in the graduates and undergraduates, even at her age, 87.
I'm Dr. Dedicacion M. Agatep Reyes. I've been a teacher since 1940. However, in 1948, my sister sent me to medical school. So I finished my degree of Doctor of Medicine in 1953. I was luckily, or I don't know how it came, that a certain Dr. Godofredo S. Reyes chanced to be my lifetime partner. We stayed together since 1951, but last July 5th, 2008, the Lord took him away from me. I have missed him because we'd always been together. We have been partners in our profession. He was a surgeon and I had to help him. However, now that I have retired from my medical profession, I am back teaching in school. I am a supervisor of the elementary department. At the same time, I teach in the college department and in the graduate school. I would say I'm a jack of all trades because I have to, as an administrator, I have to go everywhere my service is needed. I've been enjoying my profession as a teacher. In fact, there are those who ask me, why still teach at your age? I always say I've been in love with teaching. So I'm back again as a teacher. When there are those who ask me maybe something about medicine, well, I have to talk to them. Whatever I learned in medical school, I still remember. So maybe you can still say I'm a physician, although not inactive. I consider myself also as a veteran because when my late husband joined the Veterans Federation of the Philippines in different capacities, from post commander to district commander to regional commander of Region 1. I was always with him, helping him in his work. In the year 1998, or even earlier, he had a stroke. It was not, well, it was a mild one because he could still go on with his work. I was there always ready to help him. In the last years, he lost his speech, yet he was still aware of what he was doing. I would explain to him, and he was still aware of the things around him. Although he could not speak, he was noted to be he was good, especially in Ilocano. He was the poet laureate in Ilocandia.